Gonna be doing a video on headlight restoration. They're yellow and they don't look good in the car either. This is for a BMW 2006 330i. The OEM ones cost about, I think it was $500 each one, and the aftermarket ones don't have that projector there. Okay, you're gonna need a drill, water, dish soap here, masking tape if it's on the car. Get your towels, the 3M restoration kit, and proper PPE. All right, I'm gonna open this up. See what we have here. And this is the rubbing compound. This is actually enough for two sets of headlights. First use the gold here, then the white ones, then these are the wet sand here. And this attachment comes with the 1314 kit on Amazon. And you just put these on the back here and attach it to your drill. First, I'm gonna clean the headlight with soap and water. You want a clean surface here before we start sanding. You don't want anything to scratch the lens. So we're gonna get the gold one, the gold sandpaper, and we just want to get all this yellowing off here. And then use your rag to take off some of the sanding that you did. It should look something like this with the first, the gold grit, the P500. If it doesn't look like this, you gotta sand a little bit more. Okay, so I used about 3 of the gold ones. There's 3 left for the next headlight, and you got 4 of these. These are the next step. These are the P800s, and I'm gonna start by cleaning it again with some water and dish soap. And we're ready for the next step here. And so just the same thing, just sand evenly throughout the headlight. And wipe it off. And repeat. Okay, I'm done with the P800, the white one. We're gonna go on to the darker gray one, which will say P1000 in the back. And this is gonna be a wet sand here. And just the same thing, guys. All right, we are moving on to step 4. It's getting better at each step here. So that was P1000. We're moving on to 3000. And this is also a wet sand. Alright, so as you guys can see, we made it, and this is the final product. We got a brand new looking headlight, and this one's just really foggy. Save a weekend for yourself, you know, and a little bit of elbow grease, definitely eat, stay hydrated, and I mean, it could be a weekend project here, you know. And you'll save, like I said, you'll save yourself a lot of money, and just take your time, and the more time you spend on it, the better quality product you will get at the end.